a quick video on the custom terms and conditions. So simply start a new campaign. Start from scratch, or you can base on an existing campaign. Choose single or multiple platform. Choose public or direct. And after choosing standard or charity, you'll be taken to the new campaign setup process. Go through the process as normal, and when you arrive to the brief screen, after you've inputted the instructions and the wording of the post, you'll see at the bottom of the screen an additional checkbox, additional terms and conditions. There's a number of options here. The first one is how long should the content remain online. Here you can specify an amount of days that you want the content to remain on the influencer's social media profile. The second box says influencer agrees not to promote any products or service of a competitor or of the advertiser which are identical or reasonably deemed similar to the advertiser's products or services, including but not limited to, and here you can specify further. There's also below that a custom terms box. There's a few more checkboxes. So the first one is about ownership of the content. So this will basically allow you to use the content in further promotion. It basically hands you the rights as the sole intellectual property owner. The one below that is the influencer guarantees that his contributions do not infringe on any third party's rights, especially intellectual property rights of others. That's basically letting you know that the content is original to them. The third one is that the influencer must agree to disclose that this is a paid advertisement. And finally, the influencer will otherwise perform the services at his or her own expense and use his or her own resources and equipment.